Let's go to chat. It's C-Mac and I am back for another video. Today we are going to be making another pair of baggy shorts. I did these a couple of videos back where I made these striped shorts. Love them. So I'm gonna actually recreate these. I'm not sure if I want to put my thing on the side like these. I think I do though. We're gonna be making it using this camo fabric that I actually got. Super cute. It's like a waffle knit kind of material, and I think it's gonna be a perfect for like a lightweight short material. So let's get it, let's go. Using my shorts that I made before as a template, I'm going to lay my fabric flat and cut out 4 panels. I'm also gonna add pockets on these ones, side pockets, and then probably 1 back pocket as well. So let's cut this out. Yeah, this is nice and lightweight. This is actually a lot of fabric. How many yards is this? 4 yards, plenty. The only reason why I'm using these again, because I love the fit that I have with these. I love the length of them. When you're cutting your fabric, don't forget to add your seam allowance as well. I feel like I don't mention that a lot anymore. And then also at the top, you're gonna wanna cut about 2 to 3 inches for your waistband. So here is our first panel. Now we are going to mirror this to cut our second panel. So boom, these are 2 back panels. Now we're gonna cut our 2 front panels. Our 2 fronts and our 2 backs cut out. Now we are going to cut out our pockets. To make a pocket, I'm just going to eyeball the way I want the pocket to lay. So I just know I need one side straight, and then I need the other side to kind of droop down. I'm going to cut this 4 times. And I have all my pieces cut out. I have my 2 fronts, my 2 backs, 2 pockets, so 4 panels total for the 2 side pockets, and then I also have 1 back pocket that I'm going to add. Now we get to start sewing it all together. I'm going to start by sewing the fronts together. To sew the fronts and the back panels together, we're going to sew from the waistband all the way down to the crotch, and this is the same exact thing for the front 2 panels and then the 2 back panels as well. We're going to go over with a simple straight stitch, then we'll finish it off with a zigzag stitch. Here's the straight stitch. And here's what the stitch looks like with the zigzag. Now when you open it up, you'll have your front panel or your back panel. So we're gonna do this to both sides. So now we have our 2 front pieces and our 2 back pieces connected together, the full back panel and the full front panel together. Also, we need to add our pockets. So this is our front, this is our back. What we're gonna do again is lay it right sides together. Then we are gonna have to find placement for our pockets. I'm gonna mark kind of where we're gonna want these at. Keep in mind our waistband size 2. So play around with it, mark where you want your pockets. We're gonna attach one side of the pocket first, then we'll go in and close up the sides. So I am thinking here for placement of a pocket. So what I'm going to do is actually open up the front and back pieces together, and we are gonna place our pocket here, right sides facing each other, and we are gonna clip this, and then we are gonna want to try to line it up as best as possible with the other side. Pocket down, line this up, and clip. So this is what it's gonna look like. We're gonna sew each of these sides together, and we're gonna do the same exact placement for the other side. All right, so we got both sides of our pockets, all 4 linked together. Now we can take this apart. We're gonna come over to our first pocket, and we are just gonna do a simple single stitch to attach the pocket and the front panel together. So we're gonna put right sides facing each other again and straight stitch on all 4 of the pockets. This is what the front panel looks like. You have both sides of your pockets. Now what we're gonna do is attach the front and the backs together. So the way we're gonna do that is just like how we do everything else. We're gonna lay our first panel flat, take our second panel, lay this right on top, making sure our pockets line up again. And then we're gonna sew from the waistband all the way down to the top of the pocket. And we're gonna sew around the pocket so that closes the pocket from the bottom of the pocket all the way down to the bottom of the short. We're gonna do this for that side and this side. Let's do it. All right, now that we got the front and back panels attached together, we're gonna work on the waistband and closing up the bottom leg pieces and also adding the back pocket. All right, and then to close up to the middle, we are just gonna line up the two crotch parts together. We're gonna clip this, and we're gonna sew from the crotch down to one side of the bottom leg parts, and then we're gonna do the same exact thing for the other side. We're gonna hem up the bottom pieces and then add the pocket. All right, yeah, and just like that, we have the cargo camo baggy shorts that I made from scratch with pockets. I also ended up adding this little patch to the bottom as well. I got this patch, I made it with my embroidery machine, and I just thought it would add like a little pop of something. Let me try these on for you. Yeah, these are what they are looking like. A little patch on the side. The only thing that if I can go back and fix would be the pockets are a little too low. I would definitely want them kind of up a little bit more. The little patch, I think it added an extra splash. But let me know what you guys think. You guys gotta let me know what you guys think. These things are comfy too. They're nice and lightweight. I love shorts that are like that. So make sure to smash that like button, comment down below what you guys would like to see next. As always, stay positive, and of course, I'll be back for more videos. Bye.
Get out your feelings and get it yourself. Might got the sun shoes, but you ain't gon' step. That shit that you just